Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back on another hair video, and today I'm going to refresh and moisturize my daughter's hair with these braids using shea butter. Now if you're interested, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. To get started, I'm going to boil some water. While my water is boiling, I'm gonna get my shea butter. I'm not sure what happened, but the sticker of the shea butter fell off, but just believe me, this is shea butter. For today's purpose, I'm going to be using about 2 tablespoons of shea butter. There are a lot of reasons why using shea butter is good for our hair, but today I'm only going to give you a few reasons why I love to use shea butter. I love to use shea butter because shea butter locks moisture into our hair. Shea butter also protects our hair and scalp against any UV damage. That means any heat or any sun exposure. Shea butter also strengthens our hair follicles. Now that my water is boiling, is ready, I'm going to place my shea butter on top of it because I'm trying to do the double boiling method to melt my shea butter. As you can see, after a few minutes, some of the shea butter melted, but it's still a little piece left, so I'm going to let it stand for a few more minutes. Now that the shea butter all melted, I'm going to turn off the fire and move on to the next step. Because I'm planning to use this shea butter while it's warm, I'm not going to let it cool off. I'm just going to transfer into a bowl and use it right away. Before using this, I'm going to add a few drops of my rosemary oil. I decided to add this today because I didn't have the time to make my own rosemary oil. If you're interested of seeing how I make my own rosemary oil, I will link it above or put it down below in the description box. Now it's time to refresh and moisturize my daughter's hair. I'm going to first start by spraying some rosemary water on her hair, and I'm going to spray as much as I can because I don't know if I said earlier, I haven't moisturized her hair for over a week now. So today I'm planning to really add a lot of water on her hair, especially that she has low porosity hair. If you're interested to see how I make my rosemary water, I will link it above or put it below. I believe I already posted a video on how I make my rosemary water. If I didn't, I will make a video on that, but if I have, I will link down below in the description box. Next, I'm going to grab a leave-in conditioner, and today I'm going to be using the Cantu avocado leave-in conditioner. I really love this one. It also has shea butter. Look at that. So yeah, so today I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to put this on her hair before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to add my shea butter to lock in all the moisture that I just added on her hair. I believe I already told you why I love to use shea butter. If I haven't, let me just let you know here. I love to use shea butter because shea butter locks in moisture. So if you put water and leave-in conditioner on the hair and you put the shea butter will lock in all that moisture that you put on the hair. Shea butter also help protect the hair from any UV damage. It's like a sunscreen for the hair. Shea butter also strengthens our hair follicles, so this is why I love using shea butter. Let me know in the comment below if you love using shea butter. I never heard anyone being allergic to shea butter. If you are allergic to shea butter, let me know in the comment below. I usually hear people say they're allergic to aloe vera gel. I never heard anyone being allergic to shea butter. Let me know in the comment below if you enjoyed this video, if I was able to teach you something, one thing, anything. If I was, please consider pressing the like button and share this video with someone that you know will enjoy this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.